Class 10 Maths. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Presented by Anand Mohandas. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Examples of pair of linear equations in two variables. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals 0, two variables are x and y. 9x minus 2y plus 8 equals 0. 5x equals y. A solution of an equation is a number substituted for an unknown variable which makes the equality in the equation true. A question, x plus 3 equals 2y minus 1. Check whether x equals 0 and y equals 2 is the solution of the equation. LHS equals x plus 3. RHS equals 2y minus 1. X plus 3 equals 2y minus 1. Simplifying, we get x minus 2y equals minus 1 minus 3. X minus 2y equals minus 4. Putting values of x and y we get 0 minus 2 into 2 equals minus 4. Minus 4 equals minus 4. Therefore, x equals 0 and y equals 2 is the solution of the equation. Solving a pair of linear equations by graphical method. Here equation 1 is 2x plus y equals 8, equation 2 is y equals 2x. For graphical solution we need to get the values of x and y to plot the graph. For the equation 2x plus y equals 8, when x equals 0, y equals 8, when x equals 2, y equals 4, when x equals 4, y equals 0, so we can write the values of x, y, as 0, 8, 2, 4, 4, 0, etc. For the equation y equals 2x, when x equals 0, y equals 0, when x equals 2, y equals 4, when x equals 4, y equals 8, so we can write the values of x, y, as 0, 0, 2, 4, 4, 8, etc. Now, plot the points 0, 8, 2, 4, and 4, 0, and draw a line joining these points and name it as the equation 2x plus y equals 8. Similarly, plot the points 0, 0, 2, 4, and 4, 8, and draw a line joining these points and name it as the equation y equals 2x. Special terminology. When two lines in a graph intersect at only one point, then the graph is a consistent system and has one solution. When two lines in a graph do not intersect at any point, then the graph is an inconsistent system and has no solution. When two lines in a graph are identical at all points, the graph is a consistent system and has infinitely many points. Check whether a pair of equations is consistent or inconsistent. General equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. 1. If a1 divided by a2 not equal to b1 divided by b2, then the system of equations has a unique solution. Hence, the given system of equations is consistent. Furthermore, in the graphical representation, if the equations are consistent, the lines intersect at only one point. 2. If a1 divided by a2 equals b1 divided by b2 equals c1 divided by c2, then the system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Hence, the given system of equations is consistent. In the graphical representation, if the equations are consistent, then the lines coincide with each other. 3. If a1 divided by a2 equals b1 divided by b2 not equal to c1 divided by c2, then the system of equations has no solution. Hence, the given system of equations is inconsistent. If the equations are inconsistent in the graphical representation, then the lines are parallel to each other. Let's do a problem. Equation 1, x plus y equals 6. Equation 2, 2x plus 2y equals 12. Solution. Comparing the equation with general equation, we get a1 equals 1, a2 equals 2, b1 equals 1, b2 equals 2, c1 equals minus 6, c2 equals minus 12. a1 divided by a2 equals 1 by 2, b1 divided by b2 equals 1 by 2, c1 divided by c2 equals minus 6 divided by minus 12 equals 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2, and hence the equations are consistent. More examples to check whether a pair of equations is consistent or inconsistent. Equation 1, x plus y equals 6. Equation 2, x plus y equals 8. Here a1 equals 1, a2 equals 1, b1 equals 1, b2 equals 1, C1 equals -6, C2 equals -8. A1 by A2 equals 1, B1 by B2 equals 1, C1 by C2 equals -6 by -8 equals 6 by 8 equals 3 by 4. So A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2, and hence the equations are inconsistent. Equation 1 is x plus y equals 6. Equation 2 is x plus y equals 7. Answer: no solution. Result is 6 equals 7, which is false. So there is no solution. Another example. Equation 1, x plus y equals 6. Equation 2, 2x plus 2y equals 12. Answer: consistent.